Hi Gemini, this is your next 7 days reading, your weekly reading. I'm going to look at your energies, what is coming to you in this upcoming 7 day period from 23rd to the 30th of September. So, what we see right now in your environment is Two of Pentacles. So, you could be weighing your options regarding some choices that you have to make. You could be multitasking, you could be thinking a lot what to do regarding something. So in this time period, in the next 7 days, with the Eight of Wands and the Hangman, so you were in a situation where you were not taking action, or you were waiting for something to change. But with the Eight of Wands, lot of information, overload of information is coming to you. You are quickly seeing some changes and you have to quickly make a decision. So you are changing your perspective and taking something into your hands and finally getting out of this hangman situation with the Eight of Wands. So with the Three of Wands, definitely some expectation will rise in this time period. So from a situation where you were trying to make up your mind, with the Three of Wands, you will suddenly be catapulted to a new situation where you are leaving or surrendering or deciding to leave something which was creating doubts in your mind or delay in your situation, and things are picking up speed and you can be expecting your ships to come in. You are going to see some results in this time period. So problem in your situation right now is that you could be having resistance in your life. People could be resisting your actions. People might not be giving you support. They could be too reserved. There could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius around you, someone who is keeping boundaries with you. So there could be resistance around you, or there could be difficulties on your path, challenges on your path, and this is your obstacle. You could be having haters around you. So in your personal life with the Leo energy, definitely you guys are dealing with some resistance. So there is a Leo, or there is a resistant or powerful female, or you are a powerful female who is resisting someone with great patience, courage and confidence. You are going to change your situation by being quiet, by being confident in this time period. With the Two of Swords, it could be a war of egos. Someone could be might not be giving you the answers that you require, or there could be something challenging you, keeping you blocked in a situation. So with the Knight of Swords, in this time period, you are going to take quick action. That is what I am seeing. So you could be dealing with Leo, Pisces. You could be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You would be dealing with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini like you, or Cancer, Scorpio, any sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So in terms of your work, there could be some accomplishment, promotion. There can be partnership, there can be changes, there can be innovative ideas, and a situation will definitely change in your 10th house. So the 10th house energy looks good. This is about partnership, this is about getting some promotion, accolade, some pat on your back, and new ideas that will come to you. You will pursue some new action in your economy. Six of Swords is telling me if you were going through some conflict, trouble in your work situation, you are going to move away from that. Some of you are changing locations, offices, or touring in this time period, or some of you are changing for the better. So underlying energy is choices regarding soulmates will be made, choices regarding old situations and new situations will be made, new promise of new work. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy coming around you. Promise of something is coming in. Some of you are dealing with children who could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. With the Queen of Cups, you could be a good mother, or you are getting support from a mother or a spouse or a friend who is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. A lover, you could be making a choice regarding this person, regarding past in your life, or children in this time period, or soulmates. So underlying energy is that you are going to have make decisions with your heart. You are going to choose something, past or a new situation in life. It could be connected to education, it could be connected to skills, it could be connected to money, something, a new job, you could be doing that. So there is a house change for some of you, or movement. So with the Seven of Cups and the Magician, you have got options in this time period. So you could be fixing a direction and moving towards it with optimism. So there are choices. You have to choose make the best choice. With the Lovers card, you need to choose with your heart. That is what angels are saying. And with the Magician energy, which is also Gemini energy, you are going to have those dreams come true, that what is above will come below. What you want to succeed in, what you want to achieve, what you want to produce is going to happen in this time period, because options will come in front of you. This could be connected to a choice, and quickly you are going to make this decision and change your perspective in a given situation. So it is, in terms of love, it is saying that give your relationship a chance. So work on your partnership, make the effort. So great love is worth taking the steps you are guided to take. So it is worth making the effort. You will try to get to know someone closely. So as you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond will deepen. So for some of you, there will be confidence shown in love with a very powerful person, or you will be resisting or creating some resistance with resisting energies in this time period to show your confidence. And ultimately you are going to where there was resistance, you are going to change it with the Knight of Swords approach. You are going to either cut it, or you are going to make an intervention which is for the better of you. What you want in your life will come to you because of your decision. And you could be the main female or dealing with the main female. There is expectation in your life or around you. Judication could be happening in marriage. Some of you are getting advice for marriage, counseling in marriage. There could be a marriage situation that needs some advice. There could be message of concern in this time period with a partner, with a new love, with a new marriage situation. Whatever you are wanting to marriage can be a partnership or association in terms of job as well. So whatever you want to deal with in this time period, or whatever is troubling you in this time, best a way to deal with it is to change your perspective and take decision with your heart. Some of you are going to cross over and get out of difficulties because of this action, and you will have optimism in your situation. So let's read out the Astro Oracle for you. So symbiosis card, or the trine and sextile card, is coming to you. So trine and sextile planets promote collaboration by backing one another up, cheering one another on, and adding strength and value to their roles. So in this time, the action will be to lean into what is easy and comfortable, and use that comfort to renew, grow, and expand. Look for people who have compatible and complementary ideas or skills to yours. Work with your allies. Gently expand your world through compatible people, collaborative skills, and through doing what you love. So engage family members, friends who really understand you. Explore what you have in common with a beloved and focus on that rather than on your differences, and build out from there. Wander in a favorite landscape and learn from what you find there. Play your favorite music but on a new instrument. Bring your attention to where the energy flows easily, where support can be found. So, when life is hard, a dinner with friends, a laugh, a relaxation is a balm, and moments of ease can prepare for bigger challenges ahead. So, the challenge on your path is least resistance, can be both delightful and limiting. So, don't get stuck in a comfortable rut. So the benefit of this situation is lift one another up and grow. The comfort of compatible aspects can help us build up the resources needed to do the hard work and face the tough stuff. So options in your life will open up. Quick changes of your mindset and surrendering some difficult energies in this time period is possible. You could be leaving your least resistance, or someone could be leaving their least resistance because of your action. So if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through issues can contact me through the email ID in the description box, and you can carry on watching these readings which I keep posting for you. Your career reading will be coming up soon because your 7-day mark was coming up. That's why your 7-day reading is coming first. Your career reading will come a few days later. Thank you so much. Career reading for the month of October. That's what I'm going to do. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.